The weather outside is frightful, the fire is so delightful. Since we got no place to snow. Nah, that's wrong. To go, and the weather is not frightful, it's very sunny. So we're gonna take the Ferrari out for a little winter drive. But first we really need to clean this baby up. Fire is so delightful. Since we got no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. It doesn't show signs of stopping. That's a lot of oil. Woohoo. But yeah, this was a lot better right away. She shines again. Oh, annoying. All my products are empty, gone, old, or whatever. So I'm having a really hard time getting her shiny without damaging the paint. But, and she is a little bit wet inside because, yeah, windows. We got one more hour left, probably. So, get the stuff and get out for a little drive. You know what? Ever since I adjusted the fuel mixture and got her a little bit more air, she runs so much better than before. It's insane how easily she starts. She starts idling pretty well. She doesn't want to quit, and just listen, she's just cold. And wow, I found it. Oh, I really hope she drives well, because last time she drove pretty okay, but now we're gonna put her to a real test. Yeah, it's a little bit foggy inside. Yeah, the water doesn't stay out. Oh my god, this drives so much better than before. But I had to take the roof off because it's way too hot in here. But now it's too cold and it's raining. That sucks, I'm getting wet. Who cares? Woo! But I'm in the traffic jam. Can't drive hard. Oh, but it feels so good. sounds good. She really feels good. I like it. Woohoo! I really like the countryside. Look at these roads. Not going fast right now, but it's not about going fast. It's about enjoying the life, the ride. And make sure that you don't hit any bicycles. Yeah. Or runners or whatever. Whee! This is intense. We did it! We did it! We did it! But that doesn't mean we need to go that fast. Ah! It's hard to shift and hold the camera. I really need a new mount or a GoPro, a new GoPro. I love it when a plan comes together. Uh-oh, car. But look at the country. Who said Holland is boring? Who said it? It's not me. I didn't say it. Oh, but this one is... Oh! Woohoo! We did it! So, it was a fun drive for me. I'm about to go home. Should I find a spot to make some pictures? Yeah, we should. We're gonna go home first. No, we're not. Ah, you understand what I mean. Ooh. Oh, the steering wheel is hard sometimes when you're driving slow.
2 hours later.
Still driving around looking for a spot or something, but I don't think it's gonna happen. It's just, there's no place to stop. Whoa. What are you doing? Oh, there's a parking. Okay, well, I missed that one. But that's okay, okay. It's just like this is our city. Can you see it? The city of The Hague. Oh wait, stop. I'm just on the edge of the city. Over there is our house. Perfect. You can just go out and jump in the polder. The polder, we call that. And you just can go out for a little drive. Perfect. Just perfect. I love it here. Okay, I did found a spot. Yeah, it's almost dark, but damn, she looks good, doesn't she? I love that thing. I really, really love that thing.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent.
While I was parked here, she started to stutter. So I quit making the video I was making. I think it's better to get her home because it's almost dinner time as well. And I just adjusted the air a little bit. She sounds better now. She's like home sweet home, she's cooling down. What an amazing car, and what a privilege to be driving such a beautiful lady. Although she still got her temper, she's not running perfectly. Yes, I know, but it's very delicate, and I now know how to adjust and play around. After the stutter, I just tweaked it a little bit less air. She suddenly run fine again. So I need an expert to learn me how to play with that, just to make sure that I'm not doing anything stupid. But what a lovely lady. I really love this car. Yeah. So, short video for today. Sorry, winter is coming. I have to make sure that we're gonna start working on the car, but I'm pushing it as long as I can, driving it as long as I can. But there's a lot that we need to do. I wanna get all the wheels off, check all the suspension parts that we rebuilt, check if they are all working like I intended them to work. Of course, it's gonna go to Gus to get her the final thing is done. Do something about the oil leak. Probably do something about the coolant leak because it's getting worse. But hey, it's a Ferrari 308, and a Ferrari 308 is not a 308 if it doesn't leak.